Hi guys! So for today's video, we'll be discussing how to answer the question, tell me about yourself. So I'll give you 4 tips and examples, so please stay until the end. So the first one is you have to review the job description and mention experience or success related to that role. For example, if you're used to work for call center, you could mention that in the call center industry, you have to anticipate the needs of the customer. So if you're going to become a VA, then that skill would be important because you will anticipate the needs of your potential clients. Tip number 2, focus on strengths supported with specific examples. So let's say you've created a process to improve or increase the number of sales. Maybe you could include a specific estimate of the sales improvement. So let's say you could mention that the sales has improved from 10 to 20%, something like that. Third one is you have to highlight your personality. Again, you have to remember that the tell me about yourself is a getting to know you question. So you can discuss hobbies that show personal discipline, like learning a new skill or volunteering for a cause. Last tip would be to format your response. So your format could either be present, past, and future, or past, present, and future. It would depend which experience you're applying for is more relevant to the experiences that you've had in the past. So present, your present job, and then past is your previous work, and then future is what you could contribute to the company you're applying for or your future plans. So I'm going to give you examples, 2 examples actually. The first example of the answer would be if you're a first time job seeker. So I'll just go through the the guidelines that I created. So it says here, I've been passionate about helping others since I'm in college. I used to lead my group mates when we have case studies, and this has enhanced both my analytical and interpersonal skills. With my people skills, our team was able to run a successful charity event benefiting the single parents in our community. I believe my experience and passion for customer service will help me be a great addition to your team. So that's the second example is for career changers. So I have a lot of friends who's in the call center industry and would like to move to virtual assistant role. So this could be helpful for you guys. So you could mention something like, I began my career in call center, but a few years ago, my professional interest shifted to becoming a virtual assistant. I've always been skilled at organizing tasks and collaborating with other departments, skills that are vital to a VA role. Last year, I worked with my supervisor on a project that led to 20% improvement on our productivity. I've enjoyed that part of my work, and I would love to bring the experience I've gained to potential clients. Outside the office, I'm an avid reader and love to hike. So those 2 are 2 scenarios. I hope that would be helpful to you guys. If you have suggestions and questions you're having difficulty during interview, please free to send me a message. I also conduct free practice or mock interview. Thank you. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on my YouTube channel. Thank you.